clock money, me not no grocery in my house. The fridge empty, so you down there. So you down bumbo clock there. You're not here. You're down there. You take blood clot 3 days and them have my grocery them. And then I got a blood clot yard. Then I got a blood clot yard, girl. What you do? You take 3 days done my blood clot, my snack span. And then I got a yard. And then I make me 10 grand.
I don't understand as also you expect if you tell one woman about her something big and stick and she run come back to your yard. You don't think Brittany no sense?
You feel glad to me carry a goat. You feel glad to me carry a goat. Because Obi man could help you. A doctor alone could help you. Obi man could help you. When they are hell with you.
Why you know about science?
I hell when they with you.
Why you know about science
God when a Jesus. A Jesus when I cry out to with you. I can't find the screen record of Jesus. You when I cry out to with you. Remember that. Just remember good.
Now what's wrong with that? What's
you when I cry out to the Lord with you. Because all those stumble on you. All those stumble on you, you cry out to Jesus. You cry out to Jesus. Girl go suck out.
What a go on, my people. Welcome back. If you're new here, guys, my name is Michelle and you're watching The Scoop. Guys, it's a privilege to be alive and well. Every day above ground is a blessing. So every day when you wake up, just put your hand to the sky and say, God, I thank you for today. Thank you for everything that you have done for me and all that you're about to do for me. Don't move a muscle, I'll soon come back.
Hey, Conley, up to the time, you know.
Put them sing pan leaf, yes me up to the time, down to the minute. Some boy put them sing pan leaf, yes me most of them them the girl that like juicy beef. You know me worry. Timeless, time after time.
The Scoop.
Guys, you know, say them have a saying we say, I know every helper help. Because I was watching Zozo and Britt live this morning. And trust me, Zozo, him tell Britt some devious things. Him disrespect Britt the most way. Just because him claim say him did help her before. So him feels that Britt is obligated to him. In deal with Britt a way, I mean never like it. It not sit well with me at all. No man no have no right to disrespect woman and tell them anything will come out of their mouth.
You know, far from Rosalie, and Rosalie then I see him handsness.
Remember, see your talk, say me crash is big auntie. Remember, you don't have to worry about what I do.
When me say that? When me say that? You want me say no, since that you want put since I want put words in my mouth. Since I want put words in my mouth. Since I want put words in my mouth, me can't say them words at you.
What you say? Me talk, what you say, I that just say no, say you say that, but what there so I say you don't say that.
Yeah, alright. You talk when me say and why me say that? Because you talk about nature and talk about Gloria.
No, you talk about nature, you talk about blood clot. You're too disrespectful. Me tell you don't have no behavior.
Yeah, because he's a fucking wagonist. He's a wagonist.
Me do. Me turn up the smile and they look fine like regular days. And when I start saying that, the smile off my face come off. I feel like me don't want to cry. But
he's a pussy man. I tell you that he's a pussy. Yeah, he's a big crutch under your leg. Yeah, you know, far from the crutch under your leg.
Oh,
yeah. Think you can this bumbo clock, man.
You know what I mean? So you're not about what I do.
No argument to the car. Mr. said even then I want good shit.
Remember you say, you know what I mean? So you're not
you want to go back up to hospital. And that you need to go back up to hospital.
Yeah,
you need to admit if you want blood clot here. 1 year they need to admit if you want original. You need to go back up original now. At time for you go up there. At time for you go back up there now. They met over then get now walk. They met over then get there now walk. You need to go back up to hospital. They need to hold her back for next month. Cause I don't know how you start transform so. Like when Cross said Christian free transform when night come, you transform when fear medication them now good. That's all I can say. You transform. You transform.
Because you would have never take medication in the first place. So you can't talk.
Oh, you feel glad to me carry a goat. You feel glad to me carry a goat. Because Obi man could help you. A doctor alone could help you.
So we appreciate, you know, because remember, you know, Britta one of our favorites. And we appreciated that you helped her But not because you help her, means you have to treat her like that. Means you have to tell her anything will come out your mouth. No. She doesn't have to take that from you. Not because you help her. Me say me never did know say I so worthless and stay. All when you hold a TikTok, I beat him. I always I say, no man, give him a chance. Because you know, we know saying take care of Britt. And he help Britt to go to hospital to get help. But mighty God, me never know say you did that help a little girl, if you take it tell her. Me never know say you help the little girl, if you take it tell her. Guys, me always hear them say, I know every helper help, and Zozo come prove that to me. Say that saying there, it's real. Because me never know me I go live to see the day when Zozo I take what him do for Britt, tell her. Him depend and say Britt this him and Britt disrespect him, but how did Britt disrespected you? You came on the live, you load up him out, you talk the most things about Britt. I remember Britt mouth now no filter. So we never know say behind the scene, you call Britt big old girl. We never know say behind the scene you disrespect Britt, you know, and I tell her oh her something big and stink. You tell a girl how her something big and stink. Behind the scene you do that, you know. If you never did that disrespect the girl this morning on her live, she wanna come out and say the reason why me avoid you is because you say me something big and stink. Yeah. So why you not put that part there in there? You depend and say, oh, from the girl go her yard, she not come back come look for you. You not talk the full story. And oh Britt, you go up on all the phone, I tell your friends say, oh Britt, I disrespect you. Online. You wicked man. Me never know that somebody could have wicked and lie so.
You know what I go on, my brother? You look ungrateful girl when I help out from Wappy Kill, fill up when me the back and peak, pluck. They try to bring me down for media. You believe me, my brother? You believe the little ungrateful girl when me take off her street side, when me take out her slum, they diss me, my brother? Over media. You believe that?
No, God.
You believe that, my brother?
Bible and tell about them and my dog.
Bible and tell about them.
Oh, I'm grateful, you see that word there?
Bro, talk as my brother. What you see me do for prudent? Ever see me do that for no other else, girl?
Never see this for no other else, girl. All girl with Anton him and never do that word.
All girl with Anton him, girl will have that. No, bro, me tell you, bro. What girl do, my bro? Girl over here go on like you want tear me down, my little brother.
Remember you say, you don't want me say nothing about what you do.
Cool.
It's so cool.
Me even want to talk about some things, my dog. Cause that girl I want real corruption, you. That girl I want real corruption, my little brother, dog. Like, if that girl, me believe me, no, bro, saying go got hell, you know, bro. Is if when do me, in go got hell, you know, bro.
This is not big. Please be advised. This is prudent.
I'm glad you hear that, so I don't even know why full on jet, but I don't fear to that.
Bro, I'm gonna show you a pre, man. Me not get no name, man. Me there looking at devil face. I devil face, me there looking at. Me there looking at him face. And I face, me there look. I show him to film a corruptness go turn on to. Yeah.
Bro, I don't say I chat nothing for nobody, bro.
Bro, me not chat nothing for nobody, bro. How much time I put this together over my family too, bro?
You see, I push out yourself out of fear we had said.
Bro, me take myself out of some little situation for help this a girl, yeah, bro.
Yeah, I like you, my dad.
Bro, my mother beg me do things, bro. I'm not gonna do it. Come on, help this a big old girl. Me can't go and spend the whole day with him. And some style. Girl, me go class here now, because me stress out. Rascal, me go crash out now. Me go rascal, crash out now.
Not people here. Now go get me upset when
He
they
up on the live now, as in up on the screen. Me him up on the screen, me I tell him my mind.
Yes.
Me can't, bro, it come full now, bro. It come rascal full now, bro.
That's not cool.
It come full now.
That's not cool.
That girl I want
That's not
100 girl, bro.
cool. That's not cool, guys. That's not cool. And I do it first time in do it. I do it
You
second
know, say I need
time.
that dirty girl I live for, bro, man. And I have to tell
Dirty
you, man.
girl. Me a dirty girl. Me a devil. Me a big one girl. Yeah, they must hear disrespectful to me. I'm a correct when anybody do that to anybody. Anybody with a body.
A 7,000 and almost 8,000 people depend the live or watch the live. And you say Britta disrespect you and we don't see it. and you alone see it, and you are disrespect Brit. Zozo was doing all the disrespecting. I'll know Brit not disrespecting more than Brit says. Zozo, remember, you tell me say me something big and stink, and that's why I'm gonna come back on my yard.
You have one big leather belt for beat out her ass clad. You see a joke?
Big old girl. That's how you address me. Big old. Big old.
Cesspool, man. And a big old a cesspool. And a big old man, a cesspool.
A big old.
A cesspool you have on there, man.
Dirty girl.
Yeah, a cesspool.
Them the way there.
Yeah.
Expect for calling all that. I'm gonna feel no way because I'm not feelings.
I don't understand as also you expect to tell one woman about her something big and stink and she will run come back to your yard. You don't think Brittany no sense? Because you help her. You have to tell her anything will come out your mouth and she run come back to your yard. No Zozo go claim say because he money done why Britt gone left him. Him not talk, you know. Say because him tell the girl at word, you know. And the girl hurt about it. And no go back go look for him. Him tell Britt how Britt come on yard, go on your mouth and goes to them. And only when him have money Britt want him. Me can't believe this. The boy all say, oh you want Britt go back down a hospital. Yeah. Say you want Britt go back down a hospital because Britt is devil and he shouldn't help Britt. And he take up Britt out of slum. You don't take Britt out of no slum. You helped her. Yes, you did. You bring her to the hospital. But you never take her out of no slum. Britt always live in her house.
Answer only when I have money. You want there on me. You say you have no broke man. You look for me with you. Answer to me say, only when I have money, you go come.
Oh God.
That's the only thing you look for me and tell me with you. I remember your speech. Remember your blood class speech. So that simply means say, post yourself. That means I post yourself. Me I thought no, I cup full woman. I don't care, the cup full. You look for me from my own bed and I have to wonder if I use that. Me have to wonder if I use that. You look for me and tell me say, if I don't have any money, you're not going to come sleep beside of me. You're not going to skin out to give me because I don't have no money. And that reach me. Over 2 weeks now you don't link me because I don't have no money. Over 2 weeks now me have almost no money now. Me no money. Me not no bumbo car money. Me not no grocery in my house. The fridge empty. So you down there. So you down bumbo car there. It's not here. You down there. You down there.
Look here.
Where do I there? Where do I there? Me cash out my 60.
People, the real reason why Zozo are crash out is because him not get no gift again here. Because he's not getting any gift anymore. Because the remarks when passed after Nisha died, a lot of people turn their back on him. So him gift us them, not give him like one time. The people who accompany him life can give him, not giving him. Because of the remarks. Him pass the remarks, oh, when Nisha did alive, you never play with them girl there. So you don't care about no girl with the one dead. And nobody know for tell him about no girl with dead. Or if you say that about somebody who just died, eh? And even so, the people them they still decide, say, you know what? People per year say worse and we forgive them and we move on. But you still come back and disrespect people same way. You still are going like you roll thunder, your God. You're not calm, you're not relaxed, you're not humble yourself. You still come back and disrespect people same way. So it's like the people them just turn them back on you completely, Zozo. Zozo not relax. He not humble himself. Him not apologize and say, alright, me apologize. Let me see if the people them will forgive me and just stay under the radar and be humble. You understand? No, you have to exalt yourself. You still a disrespect woman. You still a tell woman anything will come out your mouth. People in the audience, you not ignore them. You tell them to go escort their mother. You tell them all kind of dirty things will come out your mouth. What kind of man would you be when you know if you tell a woman say? What kind of word that for you tell your woman about her something big and stink? I don't blame Britt. I don't blame Britt one bit. Me not blame Britt one bit. If you not come back on your yard, come look for you. You're too out of order and bright. You're too out of order and bright and I pass your place. Britt was Brittany Goff before she knows you. Remember, say Britt make we know you. Remember, say, a Brit make the internet know you. Yes, it was on TikTok doing a little thing, but nobody never know you. A Brit give a little highlight. A Brit bring you to the forefront. A Brit make people recognize who you are. And did I give a little knowings and I give a little gifts. And no, you wasn't now get no gift. Him disrespect Brit the most way just because him claim say him did help her before. So him feels the Brit is obligated to him. Anytime him need her, she's supposed to be there. So act like say him control Brit. Him own Brit. So anytime him want Brit supposed to make herself available. Me not like that. Me not like that. But I must say this. Him say one thing, you know me feel like Brit can deal with him a little better with that. Him say him go at the barber shop with trim. Him tell Brit say him not got no money, him not got no food. And Brit promised him to bring him the money and the food, and him Brit never show up. Him have to call his mother to come to him rescue. Me never like that. Me I gotta be honest, people, I did not like that. Because he was there for Brit when Brit was in need. He was there for her when she did in need, so she could have been there for him.
What do me here? You see the girl you know me? The girl called police for me in her ear salon.
You tell me say somebody
Because this blood clot girl go sit down on phone. They do live. Let me mute you. And my time for talk. And my blood clot time for talk. Sit down in a ras clot chair. Sit down in a chair make me talk. Lifestyle. Me say lifestyle. Me get up in the morning, broke like a dog. Give $1 me have in the house lifestyle. I saw look silver. See me have almost silver here. See kind of me. And me call Prudent. Before me left out the house, me call Prudent. And me say, B, you know, say me there, me name my breakfast for a morning, do B. And I go do me here. And some style. B, I say, he might tell me some things. So me I make you know, say, yo, Prudent, here I go. I don't need no money from you where you go give me that for take. Because normally when I give me money, I get it back. So me tell her, I say, yo, here I go and Prudent. You know that somebody will send some money in a Western Union and give me the next day. So here I go on. Come a day, come link me. Okay, baby, I'm gonna come. Oh, I'm gonna go get a shower, I'm coming. So me know to blood clot take drive gonna be and loose up me here, girl, wash me here good and everything. Me in a shop, hungry like a dog. Beer worm that make nice in my belly. Me and Sarah then Prudent I come save me like come save her whole heap of time. Me bumbo clot. Only if you know so the ears are done me here. I'm stay so by my side, then I go link Prudent upon live. Prudent upon live.
Remember, no, guys, he was there for her when she was in need. So she could have just carry a little food, go give him and some money. You understand? Yeah, man. Because bad to bad, he was there. He was there when she needed someone. He never turned him back on her. But just the fact how Zozo behaved today, it threw me off. The way I hear him style up Brit as girl. Me hear my style up Brit as girl and I said Brit for go back up a ward 21 or whatever the ward one name. Me not like it. You say you should have left her in a slum and you could take her out a slum and all them kind of things. That no sit well with me, guys. I don't like it one bit. That means say you help her but you never help her out of the goodness of your heart. I know certain people upset, you know, guys, and talk all kind of things, but you know if you know if it talks upon the internet because the digital footprint, it have got always be there. At one point Brit was actually crying, you know. Guys, you don't think a lot of Brit are laughing, you know, but Brit was crying because what he must say really hurt her and him not realize how much he might hurt the girl. Him not realize how much he might hurt the girl by what he must say. You understand? Well, I mean, I like it, guys. But guys, me know what you think of the story of Brit and Zozo crashing out. Because Brit decides say, I don't know she done with him for good, but according to him, she not visit him about 2 weeks now, so I'm a crash out. Yeah, I'm a crash out. Now accept the facts here because you tell the girl about her something big and stink. Why she no want to come look for you? Yeah, make it look like say because nothing now going for you now. Why Brit stop talk to you? No. And a matter of fact, she said she don't stop talk to you because she tell you over and over if you come her yard and you don't want to come look for her. But according to him, brother them rush him, so him afraid to go to the yard. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. What would I spread love?